Yo, what is going on everybody? This is your boy ShivHax here, and today we're going to be checking out the new RTX 5050. Now this 8GB card is getting above 800 FPS when we're looking up in the sky, and this is all raw performance because the newest multi-frame gen isn't even supported by this game. And currently, we're running performance mode with the lowest setting possible, and with this we're averaging about 200 to 300 FPS the whole match. Now this card only costs about $249, and with this type of performance I think it is a steal. And yes, I am a bit rusty because I did change my keybinds and I haven't played in a while, so don't judge my gameplay. I am trying my best. But anyways, the full review for this RTX 5050 is coming soon on my channel, and I'll be unboxing it, reviewing it, and also doing a couple gameplay tests as well as video editing tests. So make sure to hit that subscribe button, also turn on those notifications so you get notified when I upload that video. Anyways, enjoy the gameplay and see the performance for yourself. Now, one thing to mention is that my PC currently does not support this graphic card. I mean, it kinda does, but I have an older gen PCIe slot, as well as some other wattage and temperature issues with my CPU. So basically, my GPU is getting bottlenecked. But if you have a perfect setup for this 5050, like some good CPU, good temperatures, you know, everything is perfect, I think you'll probably get even like more FPS, like close to like maybe 50 to 75 more. But right now, I'm just showing you the performance that I'm getting on my PC. Now, enough talking, make sure to hit that subscribe button and also like this video and enjoy the gameplay.
Bruh. But what the hell,